In this section, we're going to show you how the pricing and commentary portion of our website works. In this case, we're looking at the fats and oils page, and you'll notice at the top of some of the pages we have additional information to help you understand how we're doing our pricing and the methodology that goes into the reporting. You'll also notice that in each table we list out the region, the price, the change from the last day traded, a week ago, 4 weeks ago, and this defaults to a year. You can change this to be any duration of time that best suits your needs. If you scroll to the bottom of each of the pricing tables, you'll notice our commentary area. This is where our analyst will review each day's activity and submit this at the end of each day after trading has closed. You'll receive an email bulletin, and all of this pricing information and the commentary will be in there. If you have any questions, you can always scroll to the bottom of the commentary and see the email address for the analyst who's written that commentary for the day, and you can ask them any questions that you may have around our price guide and commentary section.